Hey everyone, if you love great deals, you've got to check out Temu. They offer free shipping on all items shipped directly from Temu, plus free returns for 90 days, so you can shop with confidence. Temu also has a delivery guarantee, making sure your items arrive on time. And here's one of my favorite perks, the price protection policy. If you buy something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. So you're always getting the best deal. And don't forget, I've got some exclusive perks for you. Just click on the link in the description and download the Temu app to unlock even more benefits. Plus, use my unique code that is displayed on the screen right here for extra perks on your next order. Shop my favorite links by using the link below and start saving with Temu today. Let me show you these great boxing equipment that I just received from Temu. This is a great device to have if you like boxing or if you want a great cardio workout. So let me show you how this unit looks and the functions are and how much fun it is to use it. So first you can see here's the hitting pads right here. There's 5 pads that it has. So this is a rechargeable USB-C charging port. So you can either use it with it being plugged in or just let it using just the battery. The pads have a soft yet firm pad to it, so you can hit it either bare knuckle. So it also comes with these 2 boxing gloves, so they can fit in an adult size hand or even a kid size hand. Okay, so here's a close-up view of the punching machine. So here's your on and off button. You hold it down and you can see how it turns on, and it plays the music, the built-in music here, and then the lights are showing where it wants you to hit it next. Okay, you can change the speed with the speed button. So that's the 3rd level, 4th level, 5th, 6th. It goes up to 9 levels. You can change the volume. You can raise the volume, make it louder. It goes up to 5 or no volume. So you're able to hook up your own music to the speaker via Bluetooth. Let me show you how it plays. So the speaker sounds pretty clear, and then you're able to put the volume up and down with it. That's no volume. Okay. So it goes pretty loud. So this is how the unit looks when you take it off the wall. It has the 2 Velcros on the back, and even has some rubber padding here so it won't ruin your wall, and then it comes with some Velcro to attach it to the wall. You don't have to hit it too hard. Overall, this is a great musical boxing machine. I like how easy it is to set up and to mount it on the wall. I also like how a rechargeable battery to it, so you can charge it, and then once you're ready, once it's fully charged, you can just mount it to the desired position that you want it in. This also comes with the Velcro strap, so you can just mount it to the wall using a Velcro so your wall won't get damaged when you're about to take it off. I like how it has the different padding on here. I also like how you're able to change the speed of the light, so you could make the workout harder or easier depending on how fast you want it. This also has a built-in speaker that it will play its own music, or if you want to hook this up using Bluetooth, that you could play your own music on here also. And I just like the size of it. So this is very portable, and it's great for adults and kids. It's a great boxing machine to have. I like how big it is. These punching pads are nice and soft yet firm. It's a good area. Even if you hit it, it's not going to hurt you. This has a Bluetooth speaker to it. This also has the rechargeable battery. It's charged with a USB-C port, and you could hook up your phone to this or any MP3 player to play your music through the speaker here. This also has its own music if you want to use that, and you're able to adjust the speed and the different modes that it has, and you're also able to raise the volume using this also right here. They also come with these MMA style type of gloves, so it's very easy to use. Inside it has this little bar here so you could grip it better in your fingers holes and a thumb hole. So you just put it on like so, this, and then it has a Velcro strap to attach it, so you could protect your hands and your knuckles while you're hitting this thing. And so it's very breathable, very easy to use. So once it turns on, the music is starting to play, and you can see the blue light where it wants you to hit it. If you want to change the mode, you press the mode button. This is the first mode. See, so it changes the different patterns every time that you hit the different mode button. And then if for speed, you do the same thing, different speeds. There's two ways to attach this to the wall. Either it comes with Velcro that you could put on. So I have the Velcro straps on the wall, and then I put a small Velcro strip here, so that way it'll be easy for me to take it on and off. Or if you take off this white sheet here, the back is sticky, and then from there you just permanently affix this to your surface. I prefer to use the Velcro, so that way I can move it around if I want to move it around up and down. So it's more versatile if you use the Velcro strap. If you want to hook up your own music to here via Bluetooth, you press the on and off Bluetooth button.
Bluetooth mode.
So I already have it connected to mine.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So once it's connected successfully, you start playing your music. So you can hear the music nice and clear, and it's nice and loud also. So it's a very good speaker with this musical boxing machine. Let me show you how well that this musical boxing machine works. So all you do is just follow the beat and hit the lighted area. And then if you want to change the mode, you can change the mode and the speed. Overall, this is a great musical boxing machine. I like how big that the unit is, and I also like the size of the hitting pads. They're soft yet very durable, so you don't have to hit it too hard. You just hit it more for accuracy. I also like how the lights are on the sides over here, so it's very easy to see the lights, so you know which pad to hit next. And then the speaker is very loud and very clear. It's very easy to set up. I like the different options that it has to set it up on your wall, either with the permanently affixing it with the whole back, or if you use the Velcro straps that it comes with. And I also like the gloves that it has also. They're very easy to put on, and they protect your knuckles. And these are great gloves to have for anybody that does boxing, sparring, martial arts, any type of combat sport. So let me show you how they look and how to put them on, and then how they look in use. So it has the two gloves. The inside, you see here, has vents right here, so it's very breathable. So your hand's not gonna sweat. It's stitched very well right here for your thumb. It has a Velcro to put it on and off. Inside, you see. So the material is a good material, very durable. It takes a lot of beating. Feels very good. It's very easy to put on. Even when I have my one glove on, I can easily put on the other one. Then I can hold it a little bit. Grip it. I have both of them on. It's very good in the hand, very comfortable, easy to grab. It has a lot of cushion to protect your knuckles. You can even use these gloves for the accuracy training. You just hit it, your hands are protected. Overall, these are some great 12-ounce boxing gloves. I like how well that the gloves are made. The material is a durable material. It has the Velcro straps, so you can make it tighter or looser. I also like how it has a separate thumb piece right here to protect your thumb. I also like how it has these vents right here, so that way your hands won't be so sweaty on the inside, and it makes it breathable. I also like how it has this bar right here, so you could grip it easier with your hands, so when you close your fist, you have something to grip. It has a good amount of padding to protect your knuckles, and they also look very nice and stylish.